Hi everybody! Happy New Year! I got a package on the mail from Amazon, and I would like to say thank you to Amazon because their drivers are the best. They make sure that they deliver the package. I know it's the 31st today, and the lady called me back because this morning I wasn't at home, and then she called me back to deliver back the package. So this is it. Let's see what we got on the mail. Awesome. So we're reviewing today's the 3D Genius Makeup Organizer 360-degree rotating adjustable multi-function acrylic cosmetics storage, and it's transparent. So this one is gonna look like this on the very top, and it comes with instructions. So it's like this tool. So I believe for it to swivel is we have to remove this, as I read from the reviews, you have to remove it. But for now, we're going to keep it on so that as we set it up, it can stay like this. So we're just going to put it like across like this. You'll see that there's 4 holes, and you're going to make sure that you put this edge part in those holes. Also, yeah, make sure that this one, the one with the hole in the middle, is on the top part, so you can slide the other one. Yeah, when I slide it down, I made sure that the other side, because the top part right here is the same as the one that goes here on the hole. So yeah, so it's sticking out. So we're gonna put it upside down, and then I'm gonna put it in. So let me show you how I'm doing it. So like this, you're going to just do it like that with the rubber. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. You want to make sure you hook it there on all the sides of it. There's a joint here, so secure bottom joints with rubber bands. Wow. So all of the bottom parts are secured with a rubber band. With the parts that have the layers on the shelf. So they're all types of cookies. Oh yeah, so it has different levels here. So those are the holes. So you can customize where you would like to put the shelves in. So like for example, you're trying to put like something tall, like for this one, you're gonna measure it how tall you would like to put the shelving on, so you would know where to put the shelf on. So like that. So this one is like this. It has the edge part right here. So you're going to just secure it with a rubber band as well as soon as you insert it on the area where you would like the shelving. The shelving like so. So it's very easy. You just want to make sure you slide it first when you insert it on one side, and then just align it to the other hole on the other side, and then you're gonna secure it like so. Make sure you just push it all the way in, and then it's very easy to put the rubber bands in. So yeah, that's how it looks. What I did with mine is I just put alternating like here, and then the other one will go up all the way here, and then I bend, and it goes down again on the other side, down and then up. So yeah, that's how it is, how it looks right now with the shelving on. So now we're going to put the top part. So this is how it looks. It has different compartments. Okay, so yeah, like you can put jewelries or like makeup stuff here, and there's other shelves. So this part is with different compartments, same as goes down here on the bottom side or on the other side of it, and then the another shelf on the other side as well. So for this one, it says insert the top plate into the partition. So it also has some holes here, on all four sides, and you will just have to align it with the top part that's up here on all four sides. So I think I'm going to align them on with the compartments with the top, the one that's higher on my shelf. But yes, you can customize with your liking how you're gonna do it. So yes, and then you're gonna secure it again up here on the top part with the rubber bands. So this is how my desk looks like before. Okay, so there you go. That's how it looks on my desk, and then it swivels with ease. So yes, like I said, you can put different layers on different levels, so you can see, and then it has the rubber bands there, and I think it's very neat. You can put a lot of stuff in there to make your desk organized, and I really like it. It's has this design here that looks like diamonds or crystals. It's really awesome. Thank you everybody for watching my review on this product. Hope you have a happy new year.